Alright, today in Packet Tracer we're going to be verifying and troubleshooting EIGRP operations, and we're going to be going through and trying to just ping our different connections here and seeing where we get caught up, and if we get caught up, see what our potential problems are. So first I'm going to be selecting PC1, and I'm going to try to ping our default gateway, which is 10.10.20.1. And we were able to reach that, which is our Chicago, I believe Chicago 1 router here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to try to ping our fast Ethernet 01 interface on our Chicago router. So that looks like that's 10.10.254.254. So we'll ping that. And it's not going to reach. So what we're going to do now is, since that didn't reach our Chicago router, we're going to go into our Chicago router and look at some of our tables here. Enable, and then we're going to go show IP protocols, and it looks like we're running EIGRP, and we have our metrics here: 1020314050. Okay, and our EIGRP number, our autonomous system number, is 10. Okay. So then we'll go to our show run command. We have our interface 0001, our networks 254.252, 254.248, and 10.10.0. Okay. So the Chicago router is configured with, like I said, an autonomous system number of 10, which showed up there under router EIGRP10. Okay. And so then we'll go and try this again on another PC here. 4. And we're going to do the same thing, just ping our gateways, which is 10.10.40.1. And those are reaching just fine. Okay. And then we're going to go and to our Denver router, and we're going to try to ping our 00 interface, and that's 10.10.254.241. Okay, and that's not going to make it, just like our other PC didn't make it. So what we're going to do, since that didn't work anyhow, that shows that there's a difference between Denver and Denver 1. So what our underlying problems here are, that our routers are not talking to each other on any system here. So we're going to go to back to our Denver router here, and we're going to go show IP EIGRP neighbors, and it shows that the two neighbors I have are FA01 and serial 1.0. And this is our serial interface here. And here's FA01. Okay. So what we should have here is it's not showing that we have an FA00 set up. So they're not connecting there. And then we'll go to our show running configuration. Okay, we have our, but it's reading that we have our internet fast Ethernet 00 on this one. It's not reading it under on our that we have that it's showing us that it's our neighbor, but it is showing that it's set up on there. Okay, so the problem is that our autonomous system numbers on our different routers are not the same. So what we're going to do is we're going to go and put in our correct autonomous system numbers. So we're going to go to our Chicago 1 router first. Chicago router. Chicago router is 10. Chicago 1 router needs to be set up as 10 as well. So what we'll do is we will go to our global configuration mode, and then we'll go into our router EIGRP 1, and then we're going to set up our autonomous system number. As 10. Ooh, we got to do that. Sorry, we have to do that under. Here's the learning experience. So we got to do that under configuration. So we'll go router EIGRP AS number 10. And that didn't work either. Okay, I think I've got it figured out now. Instead of for some reason the number after you put in router EIGRP, um, it's always one, but that's what your autonomous system number is. So that's a little learning experience there. Okay, so now that should be set at 10, and we'll save that. Okay. Okay. Then we're gonna go into our Chicago, and we're gonna look up at our networks here. 254.252.248 and 0. Okay, we got 254.241, and this one we should have we don't have any of our networks advertised, so we're gonna advertise okay, that's 01. So 01 should be 10.10.254.254. Okay, so we'll go router EIGRP 10, and we're gonna go network 10.10.10.254, or sorry, 254.254. Okay, and we have that neighbor set up. Okay, and then we have our FAO 24, which doesn't have Okay, that's the only network we need to set up. Okay, I got it. See, I'm having a rough time with this. I'm trying to learn it by myself, so you have to bear with me here. Okay, so now I want to go to our Denver 1 and try to set up our Denver router here. So we're going to go to Denver 1 and our CLI. This might be a little faster because I kind of figured it out now. So go to enable router EIGRP 10. Okay, and then we're going to set up our network. It's going to be FA00. So that's 254.241. And it shows that that is up. That network is up, so we'll go ahead and save that. Alright, and then we'll do some verifying here. So we're going to go to our Denver 1. Show the traffic. Okay, and it shows that our process was 100. Now it's 10, and it shows update sent received. All those are 0, and now we're actually getting some sent and received. Acknowledges sent and received. Okay, and we're going to try the same thing with our Chicago 1. We'll save that first. Okay. Then we'll go show IP ERGP neighbors. Or traffic. Alright, and it was showing that we weren't getting any. All dropped, none sent or received, and now we are getting same amount as the other one sent or received, which is good. Okay. And then we're going to show our topology. And we have all of our successors set. All of our passive, which is good because if they're active, that means they're trying to search. So we have all of our routes set up. Now we're going to try to ping to check our results. So go to PC1, and we're going to ping PC2, 3, and 4. (10.10.10.2). So we'll go ping .10.10.2. And we're getting replies now. And we're going to go ahead and try 3. .30.2. And we're getting replies from there as well. And then we're going to try 4. And it's wanting us to do all this, go again from PC4 and start pinging the other ones, but I don't see the problem why we should do that if we have if we're getting our packages sent through these connections. There's no reason to do it twice. So we're going to go 40.2. Okay. And we're getting all of our replies, so it looks like we are connected now, and we successfully troubleshooted our EIGRP system there and got all our autonomous system numbers set.